today. I'm in Lower Hollywood, so I'm just marijuana hospital behind me. Because you need to go to hospital, you go to a marijuana hospital. So yeah, I've just kind of like had to make a detour trip, had to go to Walgreens, which is a pharmacy, get a few bits, and now I'm making my way around to Best Buy. So I'm gonna have a look, see what's there, and I don't know what I'm gonna do after that. So yeah, I think the plan afterwards, after I've been up this area, is to head back down into Venice Beach. Yeah, so I think I'm going to head back down to Venice Beach, do some more photography at the skate park. And this is where I'm going. That's what I use right now. Nice Maverick and a Spark. The Spark is tiny. I'll just sort myself out while I. Well, that was cool. For those that have never been to a Best Buy, that was pretty much like a PC world in the UK. But I would say a little bit better. They had a better kind of selection of their range. So they had a HP Omen on display. They had 15, which is what I want. I have 17 Envy. Great machine, powerhouse for doing edits, but I'm looking at going to a 15 for just a couple of inches less portability. HP, answer my emails. I'm going to reach out to you right now. So I keep reaching out, I keep saying I've got something in mind for the Omen series, for the creators and gamers and video editors, you know, just the whole kind of like media range. I keep shouting out to you. Don't ignore me. Right, I'm going to Starbucks now. Alright guys, I really need to stop drinking these Starbucks. At least it's not an actual like hot coffee or anything, it's a cold version. We're currently walking down Santa Monica Boulevard, which is quite nice. Just going at a chill pace. I repaired the bottom of my feet. I get the feeling we're going to keep going back to this quite a few times. I'm going to get killed. That is so nice. Whew. Oh, I love the classics. Always got to give some love to a fire department building when you walk past it. Can't respect those guys enough. For those that don't know, a long time ago I used to take part in this like local event. There's an airport close by called Biggin Hill, and we used to help out the local fire brigades and stuff. We used to come together and do what was known as like the fire pool. We used to take, I think it was a 32 ton. Oh, awesome. Oh, so nice. I love the old-fashioned trucks, 50s, the 1950s, 1940s, kind of like basic, just raw power, barely held together, like rusty machines and just rat rods, and the whole of that era is just so good. Back to what I was saying with the fire pool, it was like a 32 ton airport fire truck, and you'd get in teams of, I think it was 6 or 8, you'd have a set of ropes and you'd have to pull, and it's a full fire truck, it's got fully loaded with water, and you'd have to pull it like 20-30 meters or even maybe a bit more. And then after that, 2 people were selected and they would run on, grab the fire hose, run on another 15-20 meters and then try and squirt these cones that are laid out like a good 50 meters down the airport track. I always try and help the fire brigade services, fire services, and charities. Just walk past Five Guys. If I have another burger while I'm out here, I will actually turn into a burger head. So without a doubt guys, this is definitely the money end of Los Angeles. I know I haven't been around the other bits, but like around here is just, everything's green, a lot tidier, neater. The restaurants are a lot more up there. Oh, I'm getting pictures actually. Yeah, it's getting lunchtime. So generally as a rule guys, if you don't understand or know the meaning of that or the symbolisation, shame on you.
How much is this Mercedes?
Mercedes is 118. So, yeah, it's a fully restored 1970s. It's got the hard top, convertible top. That's it. You need help about the herb over there. It's no problem at all, buddy. No problem. Y'all will.
This place is like a gold mine. It's amazing. I can't wait. I've also brought out my my wide angle lens as well, which is going to be epic. So wide angle. Just going to stick my bag out of the way quickly. Bright yellow Corvette behind me. The wide angle is going to let me get some closer shots than what I'm using at the minute. But this one is a lot more higher clarity. There's some absolutely amazing cars down here guys. We've got big old military Hummer, exactly like the one out of Swordfish. Pure white roll. Right, I'm just going to quickly swap over the lens to get some real nice close-up shots. As we're back, slightly different lens, slightly wider. Gotta get back to it. If the Mercedes isn't my preferred choice, this Chevrolet is. Everyone at the moment is in love with the classic Porsches. The scale of some of these cars are amazing. Guys, I cannot believe I've just spent like an hour in there. I've literally just an hour of just shooting photos, just photography. I must have easily aced like well over 700 photos. So good, and like thank you to Heritage Classics, Beverly Hills. Not a paid advertisement or sponsor or anything. I literally was walking past. I said, hey guys, do you mind if I get my big camera out of pictures? And they were like, yeah, it's fine. Obviously, usual, putting a link down below. You know, they've worked hard to keep those cars as they are, so definitely worth checking them out. Amazing, 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 amazing. I feel so privileged. And thank you. And even he said himself, some people just walk in and they start taking pictures and they're all around the cars, so yeah, I like to ask first. But amazing. Alright, so I get the feeling we're getting quite late in the afternoon. I'm still making my way that way, down Santa Monica Avenue. I don't know how far I'm going to be able to go until my feet give up. My left is starting to nap at me, niggle away. Beverly Terrace. Wow, this expensive area. Mercedes-Benz Beverly Hills, and probably the biggest showroom for Mercedes-Benz I've ever seen. Just walking along, minding my own business, and YouTube, Google. Cool building. I don't think they like visitors in this one though, so I will probably leave them alone. So, Beverly Hills has got some serious game on. Some of these houses are amazing. Just simply walking past them, the size and the glam, the glitz. Easily go put them in like the millions. Nice little Bugatti Veyron. Another Starbucks. I'm waiting for an Uber because I'm going to go down to Venice Beach. Back down in Venice Beach. Alright guys, so I had to get out of Beverly Hills. Starting to get a little bit depressed. I'm back down in Venice Beach now. Got an Uber down. Gotta love Uber. And I'll come back down to the skate park to do more photography. I loved it so much yesterday. It was so good. And some of the, I haven't even processed all of like the photos and pictures. But I figured I'd come down. I got both batteries fully charged, other than this one, which is big, is a little bit. And go see what I can take. Well, I'm done down at the skate park now. It's starting to cloud over. Sun's gone in. Starting to get a bit windy as well. So I just wanted to go down and check the waves because they're crashing up. And then, yeah, it's starting to get a bit nippy. So, but Cali, I've had a good time. A couple of rough bits, but a good time. I love sand, but not in my trainers. Yep, definitely getting nippy. Like the air is warm, but the wind just isn't that friendly. I'm absolutely starving because I haven't eaten anything all day. Food! All these little lazy fuckers piss you off all day, pester, pester, pester. And when it comes to night time, they just sit back and relax. I should really run through the middle of them, piss them all off. Santa Monica Pier is down there, but I'm not going to walk down there. Sorry guys if you disagree with me. I am slowly filling up my trainers with sand, and at some point go reach the hard stuff and get a cab, and then head back to the Grove, get some food, fill myself up. Of which most of that journey you've already seen in this vlog, so I'm going to end it here. And hope today's been a bit more exciting than some of the previous ones. I've done quite a fair bit today. Went to Lower Hollywood, then into Beverly Hills, didn't see any celebs, couldn't care less. And I've come down to the skate park and taken well over 1,000 pictures. It's been a proactive day, been a long day in the sun as well. I am feeling it a little bit in places, not burnt, but I'm just feeling a bit warm. Looking forward to filling up, so hungry. Hope you've enjoyed the day guys, as usual. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe. If you like the video, like it. And if you want to check back for more, cool. Thank you guys. Much love. See you again.